Okay guys, good morning. First trade in the ES. Right now the market just opened here and it's been doing nothing. That's not a good uh, sign of trading. There's no correlation, and Nasdaq is all over the place. Now we see a straight line in the Nasdaq going down. We can expect the ES to start going lower as it's been struggling to go higher, but it cannot go higher. So we're using the Nasdaq, like I said, as a guide of where the market is going, but the Nasdaq is too fast, so we use the ES. Okay, let's see how it works out. We see a 40,000 contracts candle here, this reversal, and as you can see, sellers are winning. You see this one, there is almost 40k. Sellers overwhelmed the bar, so we just see more selling, and really I don't see buyers stepping in. I do believe it can go a little bit lower based on the readings of the volume. You see here, sellers are winning in this candle. This candle is over 50,000 contracts, so it can be a red day for the ES, and let's see what's gonna happen. Let's not risk too much. Okay, so we are expecting to add to that position if the market continues in our direction. A hesitation. We see the Nasdaq turning around. We saw imbalance pattern telling us here that they're gonna move down. So this is the imbalance pattern, guys. We're using it just for demonstration purposes only. It's not in the same workspace as the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. There are different indicators, and I just use them to demonstrate you how they work in conjunction and how they can give you ideas of what to expect. It can tell you the seconds it took to the imbalance pattern to develop, and the amount of contracts that were imbalanced in that particular bar pattern. So we see buyers down here. Let's see if the market can give us more. There's buyers defending that area. You see buyers. If you see these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3, those are prints in the same second. You can see 6 prints in the same second. You see 6 in the same second. So we see the momentum of the tape, so that way you can see what's going on. You see buyers defending 626. Okay, the tape is starting to move. Traders are starting to be active. Still more buyers down here in this area. Sellers need to have conviction to go down, and the Nasdaq needs to break this support area. Okay, the Nasdaq still in consolidation. They're in consolidation mode right now. They're just getting contracts up and down. Okay, there goes the Nasdaq. Start selling. You see sellers in the tape. Yeah, but they bought it again. I don't know how much time it will take, but See 160 in the micro ES. There you go. 374. That's conviction, guys. Yep. The Nasdaq already broke 192 contracts. As you can see, guys, you still need to, just understand what you're seeing in the tape. Okay, so trading is a multiple or a stacking of conditions that you need to understand. See, the Nasdaq just stopped. We need to see big buyers here buying the guys that already sold. We need to see the buyers over here in the tape. I haven't seen them yet. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. I don't want to make it too long. Okay, guys, I bailed out. This trade didn't work. We see the buyers down here, and as you can see, the big buyers already took the market from these lows, so they don't want to short right now or something. So it's better just, if it doesn't work, just stay out. So the time and sale just went blue, and it's better to bail out. When you see that, stay out or exit, or you need to do something. But we can go long here, but still lots of selling. You see lots of selling in the tape. I don't like what I see. Even though the Nasdaq is still pushing higher, but it can stop in this resistance level here. We see an imbalance here in the micro ES, but still I haven't seen nothing on the Nasdaq. A big push, some commitment. We saw commitment here, but everything dissolved here. It was correlation, but no bigger pushes. Still the Nasdaq hitting the linear regression. Okay, we're gonna try to go long here. We see again the tape printing blue. Market gaining momentum. Exactly at the low. These guys they bought exactly at the low here. They didn't buy here. No, they waited here. This was the first intention. 2 bars later, they reversed the market. Oh, guys, did a long here, but market didn't work out. We see the Nasdaq pushing lower. Let's see if this, yeah, we see all shorting.
Order filled.
There goes the Nasdaq. Okay, let's see if it works out. Now the tape is moving. There goes the Nasdaq. Now we got another push to the downside. Small lots 79. See buying down here again. So tough day, guys. Very tough day. Okay, let's see if the Nasdaq can break this.
Order submitted.
Okay, Nasdaq doesn't want to break this low. No, not
Order
yet, guys.
cancelled.
Market is still stalled here. We see lots of buying in this short area. Now you see the Nasdaq big buyers down here, but the ES is telling another story. We see imbalance down here in the micro ES. Nasdaq is reversing. Okay, they're starting to move now.
Order submitted.
Okay, Nasdaq needs to start moving, else it won't work.
Order
No,
cancelled.
I won't add. See, lots of sellers, guys. Lots of sellers. Look, this imbalance here. Profit taking. I do believe these guys were scared. The market is crazy right now. Look at this craziness here. That's why the Nasdaq is so difficult to trade. You see, 1 second imbalance minus 334 contracts. So they are hammering the sell side. We see high frequency trading here. You see the triangle here. They hit it at the same time as the Nasdaq. You see high frequency buying here. They already sold it here and they bought it here. We didn't see this type of activity up here, only at these levels, so they might be trying to do something. There goes the Nasdaq doing 60 contracts, 96 contracts. In the buy side we only see 20, 24, 20. We see in the sell side 58, 38, 28, 46. It's a correlation to the downside. All the instruments going down. Okay, we hope it continues lower. We had two losers in the upper side, so we need to get to the target so we can get at least break even and win a little bit. See, these guys are short term. They sell and they buy again. You see, now we see the transition from small lots to bigger lots. Now we see big lots in the buyer side. For me, this is kind of a reversal condition. We've seen this in the past videos where you see the triangles appear. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 bars later and you see the market pushing higher. So we're gonna be very close to the bail button, so if something happens I will just exit the trade. But there's been lots of selling. There's lots of selling. You can see it in the tape. Lots of selling. I would like to see when the price gets to this 39.10. We're gonna see the burp in the tape. Maybe there's guys buying down here. No, there's not too much buying down here. Kind of small, but they're buying there. They're buying. You see? Yeah, there's buyers down here. Nasdaq needs to start moving, at least to get the first target. Lots of manipulation down here. Still big sellers, 230, 150, 132 versus little buyers, 132 again, 152. This is a congestion area, guys. It is a congestion area. See big sellers, 110, 58. Small buyers, 24, 26, 64. Okay, I think I'm gonna exit the trade. I don't think this
Order filled.
is working. It's not working. The market will reverse from here. So let's see if we can make a
Order
long
submitted.
trade here. Remember what I told you about the triangles? When you see the triangle here, just wait 1 or 2 bars and the market will reverse. We see imbalance pattern here. Now all these guys have to exit the trades. All these short sellers, they're gonna be squeezed out and they can bump the market higher. Now we got filled to the upside. We see double imbalance here in the Nasdaq. There's gotta be a short squeeze right
Order
around the corner
submitted.
here, guys.
Order filled.
Here we see the buyers active. These sellers over here, they're gonna fill a run. You'll see. Everybody got full here. But high frequency traders didn't lie. They sold it here and they bought it here. Remember, I always tell you, 1-2 bars later, these guys reverse the market. Got another imbalance here, 228. Got imbalance in the micro ES. Okay, we're getting to the high of the day. Let's see what happens here. Okay, guys. Remember, I told the Nasdaq just straight up, almost no wicks. As you can see, candles can be an indicator too. Okay, so if you don't see too many wicks, there's something going on. Starting to get profits here. Took profit here, here, here. Yeah, we're getting to the highs. Remember all this mess here? All the traders here in this area were crazy. So let's see what happens. It was a bump over here. High frequency traders again. They sold it and bought it again. What happened first I didn't see.
Target
I will try
filled.
to exit here. I don't know what these guys are gonna do. You can see sellers over here. These bars, lots of sellers. Okay guys, talking about 30k bars, right? Look at this one, is over 40k. Right now it's over 30k now. Nothing has happened. It just passed like 8 minutes. I'm sorry guys, I have to pause the video sometimes. Hell, these videos can be 2 hours long. Remember, the ES is not like the Nasdaq that you can make a trade in a minute or two. So I'm still holding this trade, guys. Let's see if the market breaks this low, I'm gonna exit. Else we can still hold the trade. Okay, markets are trying to go higher. Nasdaq still pushing up. They got to, remember we were in 30,000 contracts. Then we went up to 40,000 contracts. Same here. So the accumulation is in this area. This area. This is the level that they got. It's not coincidence. I got 40,000 contracts in the same area.
Order filled.
Okay guys, so it's done for me. I don't want to be struggling with this market anymore. At least we didn't lose. Today is a Friday. It was a tough day. It was a very difficult day because what you see in the screens is not what the market did. So buyers are winning this day. So, but we don't know. It's very early in the morning still. We never know if the market is gonna drop or gonna continue higher. But I'm done for the day, guys. I'm tired. I just try to make this video explaining how what I see and what do I expect from the market, and that's the main reason of the videos, guys. It's not how much I make or whatever. That doesn't matter. What important is how I explain here, reading the tape, reading the signals. Okay, it's okay to lose, guys. You will always lose. You will always lose. I don't see, I haven't heard any system that Ninja Traders vendor sells that doesn't lose. Everything lose, no matter volume profile, no matter what. Okay, what we're trying to see here is just get a little bit because the market is tricky, just like the song, it's tricky. So it's very tricky. So at least we try to get the best. You see, I exited the market because I saw the tape that was getting crazy. I know these levels are very, very careful. They always, when you hit the high of the day, something happened. There's guys trying to make something down here. So it's better to get off. We saw the Nasdaq retrieving from the high. So that's it, guys, for today. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video, guys. Just send me an email. I will be happy to help you out.